How to shrink a disk volume on Windows 11. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily shrink a volume on Windows 11. First thing you do is right click on this PC and then go to show more options and click on manage. Now what it does is it will open up your computer management. Now all you have to do is find the disk management here and then click on it. It will automatically show you the disk right here. So I've got two drives currently. So let's say if I want to shrink volume for the D drive, I can just right click on it and then click on shrink volume. Now it will ask me how much I want to shrink. So let's say if I want to separate 4 gigabytes, for that, what I can do is just go ahead and shrink the volume in MB. So enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So it's going to be around 4,000 megabytes, and the total size of the disk after shrinking would be this. It's around 70 gigs. And click on shrink, and it will create an unallocated memory which you can use to further create a new disk on your drive. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.